Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which organization successfully launched India's heaviest communication satellite on 4th November 2025? ISRO. Who congratulated India's women's cricket team during ESTIC 2025 conclave? PM Narendra Modi. Who assumed charge as Director General of Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, in November 2025? Sanjay Garg. Supreme Court agreed to hear a plea seeking rules for registration of what entities? Political parties. What did the Supreme Court direct CAC to file? Affidavit on Delhi NCR air pollution prevention steps. Which state's High Court upheld FSSAI's ban on ORS labeling of fruit beverages? Delhi. Which state CM announced 1 crore rupees reward and gov job for Women's World Cup winner Renuka Singh Thakur? Himachal Pradesh. Which historic tradition resumed in Jammu and Kashmir after 4 years? Darbar move. Maharashtra reserved 70% district cooperative bank jobs for which group? Local candidates. Which Indian company signed $9.7 billion cloud deal with Microsoft? IREN. What is the estimated provisional asset attachment linked to Anil Ambani Group? ₹30.84 billion. CMAS-03 satellite enhances India's capabilities in maritime and communications. Which country introduced a generational smoking ban in November 2025? Maldives. Supreme Court's upcoming order will address what issue in public institutions? Stray dog feeding. Which Congress leader called PM Modi's criticism, Ministry of Insult? Priyanka Gandhi. CBI probed which party's HQ in connection with Karur stampede? Thamijga Vetri Kazgam. How many functioning air quality monitoring stations reported during Delhi Diwali? 9. Who was felicitated with 1 crore rupees reward and government job by Himachal CM for World Cup? Renuka Singh Thakur. Darbar move tradition belongs to which state? Jammu and Kashmir. Which state increased reservation to 70% for district cooperative bank jobs? Maharashtra. Attachment linked to Anil Ambani Group was worth? ₹30.84 billion. Which country enacted smoking ban for people born after 2008? Maldives. Supreme Court's order concerns what regulation in public places? Stray dog feeding. Ministry of Insult, Jibe was directed at? PM Narendra Modi. Karur stampede probe by CBI links to which political party? Thamijga Vetri Kazgam. Supreme Court emphasized implementation of which plan for Delhi pollution control? Graded Response Action Plan. Who won the ICC Women's World Cup 2025? Australia. Who took charge as Director General of BIS in November 2025? Sanjay Garg. Which satellite boosted India's maritime communication capability in 2025? CMS-03. Which country adopted a generational prohibition of tobacco sale to people born after 2008? Maldives. SC's upcoming order will regulate what activity at educational and health institutions? Stray dog feeding. Priyanka Gandhi's Ministry of Insult comment targeted? PM Narendra Modi. Which headquarters was raided by CBI in the Karur stampede investigation? Thamijga Vetri Kazgam. How many AQI monitoring stations functioned in Delhi during Diwali? Nine. Which player was rewarded for ICC Women's World Cup performance by Himachal Pradesh CM? Renuka Singh Thakur. The Darbar move tradition resumed in which state in 2025? Jammu and Kashmir. Maharashtra reserved 70% of district co-op bank jobs for? Local candidates. Indian company signed a $9.7 billion cloud deal with Microsoft in 2025. IREN. It froze assets worth how much against Anil Ambani Group? ₹30.84 billion. CMA's 03 satellite primarily helps strengthen India's maritime and communications. Which country's generational smoking ban started in 2025? Maldives. SC plans to regulate what activity in public institutions? Stray dog feeding. Ministry of Insult was a jibe by Priyanka Gandhi directed at PM Narendra Modi. Thamijga Vetri Kazgam is under CBI probe for Karur stampede. During Diwali, how many functioning air quality stations were in Delhi? Nine. Who got 1 crore rupees and government job reward from Himachal CM? Renuka Singh Thakur. Darbar move officially resumed in J&K. Maharashtra's 70% reservation in District Co-op Bank is for local candidates. The Enforcement Directorate froze 30.84 billion rupee assets of Anil Ambani Group. The generational smoking ban country in 2025 was Maldives. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.